So the hummingbirds are back, so I went and got some stuff today. Just kind of showing you what I got in here. Cilantro, onion, broccoli, cauliflower, spinach. I got some tomatoes and put them in buckets, but cut the bottoms out so that they can get down into the deep earth and they'll really produce. And I know this looks weird. Oh, that's a weird one. But I got a couple different, that's actually a type of lettuce. It'll come back. It's like grass. And that's some wild onion right there. Put in some strawberries. That'll be fun. All right. So everything's doing pretty good. And then the peach tree is starting to pop, which is kind of cool. That's an early spring. Go over here. That's barbecue. Put the herb garden in. Got some cool stuff. Check it out. Pretty nice, huh? This is leftover. It survived the snow, believe it or not. Got that. And we got that. All right. So it looks like it's going to be a pretty fruitful year. You guys have a great day. Later.